Good morning, this is Andrew from Lazeney. We're going to video a JPMedics Kumo installation from beginning to end. You'll see that the Kumo comes in 3 boxes. A large box, a long box, and the footrest. Get some scissors and put it right here. This is going to be your garbage box. Okay, you got a manual, cord pack, monitor stand, and a box of trim. That's all going to go inside where we're going to set up the chair. Down here is your cushion. Okay, next we're going to carry the base in. So you want to grab it on the back side here and on the front side on the frame, the black frame. Okay, next, we're going to pull out the power cord. Surge protectors are always advisable. Okay, we're going to plug it in and turn it on, and the chair will go upright, and then we're going to unplug it and turn it off. Okay, next we're going to pull the footrest out of its box. I like to do this outside because you'll see there's a lot of styrofoam that gets dislodged from the box and creates a mess in the customer's house. So it's best to unbox it outside. See all the styrofoam that would go in the customer's house if you did it indoors. On one side of the styrofoam. Now you want to be very careful. This is the bottom of the chair. And then I'm going to pick it up and move it in the house. Okay, the last box is the armrest. We're going to take these arms in, leave the plastic wrap on it to protect it. A protective layer for the bolts, and then an extra sheet for your hands. Sometimes you need scissors to take these zip ties off. Okay, so you're going to take off the pin and place it on the towel, and then you're going to remove the bolt, but not the plastic edges. The other side, and then there's one more on the footrest itself. Air hose, and on the base, power air hose. For the power, you line up the 2 white dots and gently push them together. We're going to do our air hose. Now the air hose, you want to make sure and test it to make sure it's nice and tight. In your tool bag, there's a black cloth covering. Bags on the foot and calf. Okay. Now there's one other. You want to take the excess cord and push it in the footrest, both the base and the footrest. We've had one customer that had an error message, and it was as simple as pushing that cord into the footrest.